Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a good package that are designed by Tesla Business Consult. The package contains a lot of things that will help grow your business. So this is how the package looks like. We have 100,000 Ghanaian numbers. That is WhatsApp. So those who are into um, WhatsApp marketing can utilize or use these numbers to advertise their products. Affiliate marketing to in AliExpress dropshipping, Amazon Prime, Canva Pro by Tesla. So you get the link to get a Canva Pro. Those who are into graphic design and stuff, you get a Canva Pro. And we have email marketing, and we have compiled a list of open market groups, Facebook groups that will help grow your business and also generate more leads, generate more sales, and a lot more. And those who are into digital marketing too can take advantage of this and use Facebook to advertise people's products for them. Also, we have a complete tutorial about mini importation, how to import from China, UK, and all those big websites like 1688, AliExpress, Alibaba, eBay, and all those big websites, and also a secret Facebook groups that you can join to advertise your products, and also how to create a well verified Ghanaian PayPal account, and how to make withdrawal using using the same account. So we will teach you both how to make withdrawal and how to create the account. And aside that, we have the PDF version and the video version available. So all you need to do is just click on the PDF version, and we have embedded the video version in the PDF version. So let me take you through one by one how the um, tutorials look like. So this is the how to open a verified PayPal account in Ghana by Tesla Business Consult. So this is how the tutorials looks like. We have given you a step by step on how to create a well verified PayPal account in Ghana. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so we have given you all the steps on how to create a well verified PayPal account, how to link your Visa card, how to make withdrawal using a third party, and everything. Okay, so everything is within the PDF. And we also have AliExpress dropshipping. Okay, so how to start your successful dropshipping business with AliExpress. We have given you step by step on how to set up your dropshipping store with images and everything. Okay, so quick to start, low cost, easy to run, and all those stuff. So we have given you a step by step on how to run your dropshipping either website or whatever. This one you don't need to invest. So those into mini importation and they don't have enough money, you can get this ebook and it will help you a lot. And we also have mini importation ebook by Tesla Business Consult. Those is ebook we will explain step by step on how to order things from abroad. Okay, so we will give you the step by step how to register on websites, how to order things from abroad. So this is how it is. Okay, and we also have the Amazon Prime PDF, affiliate marketing, and email marketing ebook. It will help you a lot. It will grow your business, and also you can generate more sales. These are the numbers I'm talking about. Sorry, these are the Facebook groups I'm talking about. You just copy the link and then insert it on your browser. So these are the groups. So these are some of the groups I'm talking about. It have 244,000 members. Okay.